आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। जो है नहीं तू उसी को सच है मानता, तू उसको ही खुद से बड़ा है जानता। तू नहीं किसी और से, तू खुद से ही भयभीत है। चल अपने डर को तू डरा से डर के आगे जीत है। Let's fight, fight with fright. Come on, fight, fight with fright. Fright, fight, fright, fight.
Mr. Anuj? Sir, 1,500, please.
Oh.
Thank you.
Anuj, have your favorite pulao. Stop.
बस
Why? What happened? You're not hungry? You don't want to eat? It's tasty? Good?
रे वाह, पुलाव। क्या बात है भाई, अच्छी नहीं बनी? चल, let me try.
No,
Anuj, what's wrong with you?
nothing. I have to keep you safe.
Anuj, 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 open the door.
Anuj! Anuj, open the door!
Leave me alone.
Open the door, beta!
No,
Anuj!
I have AIDS. It was killing me. Those few days were unbearable. This thing, this terror, AIDS, the fear of death had paralyzed me. Was I infected? Was my life over? I was terrified. I could not tell my parents. I certainly didn't want them to get infected because of me. But what could I do? All this because I tried to do something good. I tried to help people.
What the hell they are doing, man?
Redia.
No, I'm not gonna donate my blood, man. Why?
Anuj, done?
Yeah. How long is this going to hurt? Hey, why did you come out? You didn't even give your blood. Who cares? I'm not donating my blood.
But why?
What do you mean by why? You gonna die of AIDS?
AIDS.
Did you see the syringe the guy used to take your blood? It was lying next to the table.
Really?
New syringes come in sealed packet. I think he just have used whatever he could find.
So there's a point. We all know the reputation of this blood donation camp. Forget it. Let's not risk AIDS.
But I have already donated my blood.
But what was the big hurry? Anyways, if the pain due to the syringe goes within an hour, then it's okay. Otherwise, they might have used an impure needle. Let's go to the class. ठीक है, bye.
Atul, oh, I'm scared.
What?
See, my swelling is still there.
See, I told you that something was wrong.
I know, but now what do I do?
There are tests available, yeah.
Yeah, right. Call Elisa or something. You need to do that.
Listen, talk to your dad. Seriously.
I had to get the AIDS test done. I could not tell my parents about it. Mom would die worrying. I realized that I need to get the test done myself and that I needed to go to a good hospital. But for that, I needed 400 rupees at least.
अनुज जिस डर से डरा हुआ था वो था HIV पॉजिटिव होने का डर, आगे चल के एक एड्स का पेशेंट होने का डर। लेकिन उसके पास्ट में ऐसा क्या हुआ था जो अनुज के फ्यूचर को इस कदर बर्बाद कर सकता था, उसको एक एड्स का पेशेंट बना सकता था। आखिर वो कौन सी गलती और कौन सी लापरवाही थी जो अनुज को इस खतरनाक और जानलेवा बीमारी के खौफ में जीना पड़ रहा था।
Anuj, what happened? Want to watch TV? Want to watch cricket match? Anuj, what happened? Anuj! आप अब तक गए नहीं?
और मेरा ब्लड रिपोर्ट?
ब्लड रिपोर्ट तो आने में 2-3 घंटे लगेंगे।
2-3 घंटे? I met Rishi sir. He was the counselor in our college. I thought of talking to him about my problems, but I didn't want to be embarrassed. So I decided to talk to him about AIDS in general.
Hang on. What's wrong? Why are you asking so many questions about AIDS?
Nothing. It's just my project work. That's it. Anyways, what I was asking, can blood transplant work? Like if you get all the infected blood out of a patient and he'll be fine or something like that?
Well, it's not that easy. I think so. But anyways, if it's for research, why don't you use the internet?
Thank you, sir. I got my lectures. I'll see you soon.
You're welcome.
There was something genuinely wrong with Anuj. We would ask him about the problem, but he would avoid us, make excuses. But he was my son. I could sense something amiss. But I didn't want to force things either. I just told him that we are there on his side if he needed us.
I have a doubt that he has taken money from my purse, but I really don't know why he has done it. Anuj, sit.
Beta, did you steal money from your mom's purse?
What? No. Why would I steal from you? I know, it must be a buy. She was...
Don't, Anuj, don't lie to us.
I'm not lying. How can you suspect me? I thought you both trusted me.
Beta?
I told you.
ब्लड डोनेट करते हुए भी अगर नीडल इन्फेक्टेड हो तो डोनर को एड्स हो सकता है। ये बात अनुज को अच्छी तरह से मालूम थी और यही बात उसके डर की बहुत बड़ी वजह थी। इस डर को खत्म करने का अब सिर्फ एक ही उपाय था, ब्लड टेस्ट। पैसे चोरी करके ही सही, अनुज ने ब्लड टेस्ट कराया और उसकी रिपोर्ट्स भी नेगेटिव थी। अनुज को एड्स नहीं था, ये बात उसके ब्लड रिपोर्ट ने साबित कर दी थी। अनुज बहुत खुश था, लेकिन फिर किसी ने उसे बताया कि ब्लड टेस्ट में एड्स 3 महीने बाद डिटेक्ट किया जाता है। इस बात ने अनुज को और उसके पीस ऑफ माइंड को पूरी तरह से हिला कर रख दिया। अनुज अब डर की गिरफ्त में आ चुका था, लेकिन इस बार ये डर सिर्फ डर नहीं था, फोबिया बन चुका था।
Anuj.
Yeah?
Hi. I'm Varun.
Hi. Please come in.
Thank you. But why do you fear being sick so much? I mean, why do you fear AIDS?
I don't know. I just don't want to be sick.
Do I look sick?
No, instead, you're very brave.
That's not true. In fact, I'm really scared of rats, even cockroaches.
I mean, you're brave to fight AIDS.
Why? It's not as if I'm in a war or something. The only difference between me and you is that along with breakfast, lunch and dinner, I take a few medicines. That's how I fight AIDS. It's no battle. I don't have to be brave or anything.
But, you know, fear is still there. Fear of death.
What? Look, AIDS is not death. There are plenty of people who are living with AIDS and are living normal lives, just like me and you. I mean, honestly, Anuj, I feel sorry for you. You are in fear of something that you don't even have. So, are you going to eat this or am I going to finish this off all by myself? I mean, I really like this. Please. So, are you into sports and all such stuff?
Yeah, I like cricket a lot. Like
Cricket. Play every day? Like.
Oi, hi Anuj. Have it. अरे take it ना. What happened? What happened? Oi, don't irritate me, bro.
I was shocked. How could it be possible? He told us something about blood donation camp and how he got affected by used syringes. He then showed us the report. It was then we decided to seek an appointment with the local doctor.
So you see, as soon as HIV virus is exposed to air, it dies within 15 seconds. It doesn't spread by touching, coughing, or even spitting.
But obviously, there had to be some leftover blood on the syringe they used on me. So the virus was in the blood. It was never in touch with air.
But it was already out of the body. It's useless.
They transplant blood from one body to another. Does the blood become useless when it's stored outside the body to be given to someone later?
No. HIV virus doesn't transmit through air, food, or water. It simply doesn't work like that.
It worked. And I'm sick.
Things were spiraling out of control. I could see the fear in his eyes. His life had become a living hell. Problem was obviously mental. We met a psychiatrist.
That's not possible. Blood donation camps are very safe. They never reuse syringes. Anyway, you'll not understand. Your reports are negative.
My report does not say negative. It says non-reactive.
It's just a medical terminology. Anyway, you'll not understand the details. Look, I have specially prepared your reports and it's clearly written that you are HIV negative.
I don't want to read anything. You changed my reports to fool me. You all are treating me as a kid and hiding the truth from me. Even you, mom and dad, can't even trust you. You know what? I can handle my sickness. Now I know what the matter is. See, if you guys are ashamed of me having AIDS, I'll leave home if you want.
No, Peter.
I could see it. I could see the truth in their eyes. They were giving me false assurances. They thought I was a fool. I know they loved me. Maybe they wanted to make my final days on this planet better.
Yes, six! I told you this is going to be a wonderful match. अब देख, 3 बॉल रह गई हैं, देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं. Let's see. Let's see. Now the Kohli is in front, man. ये देखना. Oh, beat कर दिया यार. धोनी होता ना इस टाइम फिर मारता है इसको. कोई बात नहीं है. Have a patience. 2 बॉल्स और हैं. ये क्रूशल चौका था. Now बस लास्ट बॉल एंड 2 रन्स. एंड oh man, hit wicket होते होते बचा यार. What? Let's hope this is going to be no ball, man. Says no, and no ball. Yes. अब देख, लास्ट बॉल पे 4 भी मारते तो चलता है यार. Don't expect too much now. लास्ट बॉल, इसको उठा के मारना चाहिए इसको. No risk taking. And 6 again. Wonderful. What a wonderful match.
My wife was really distressed, but we were not giving up. We had both decided to put on our boxing gloves and fight it out. We were going to do everything for Anuj what the psychiatrist had asked us to do.
Hey, Atul. What's up, man? What happened? क्या हुआ? My results are negative. Really? Yeah. Oh, great!
I knew it. I knew it, man.
I was so scared.
That's cool, yeah. I'm really happy for you.
I know, bro.
It was difficult to believe that I did not have AIDS. I mean, I did not start believing it right away. I started living my life, college, friends, everything. And one day, Rishi sir came up to me and asked me to volunteer in a blood donation camp. I was obviously scared at that time, but then I realized that this will be the last and the biggest step towards my recovery. I agreed.
एड्स हो जाने का डर जब यकीन में बदल जाए तो वो भी सांप के जहर वाला काम करता है और आखिरकार जान ले ही लेता है। अनुज लकी था कि उसने अपनी हिम्मत से अपने डर को हराया। आज के एपिसोड में बस इतना ही। अगले एपिसोड में एक और फोबिया, एक और कहानी, एक और पेशेंट के साथ हाजिर होंगी मैं। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें, मुस्कुराते रहें, स्टे फियरलेस। नमस्ते।
बलून कहाँ से आ गया?
अरे यार, गजब डरपोक लड़का है ये। बलून है बलून, कोई भूत नहीं है जो इसे खा जाएगा। छोटे छोटे बच्चे खेलते और इतना बड़ा होके डर रहा है।
आप शांत हो जाइए ना।
क्या शांत हो जाओ? दुखी करके रखा है इसने।
आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। चल अपने डर को तू डरा से, डर के आगे जीत है।